Hi guys, this is episode 39. One screw up and one not so screw up, I guess. So today I'm doing an experiment with some Chaffles, and I did two slices of ultra thin cheese, and then I got the nutty idea to try it with the egg whites without the mozzarella cheese. The first two came out okay. Well, actually, the one came out okay. I did one egg, little simple seasonings, and then I just put the mixture over the top with a slice of Sargiano ultra thin cheese or the Provolone cheese because it fits perfectly on the mini dash. And then I got the nutty idea. I took a fourth of a cup of egg white, and then I tried the same method, and it didn't cook the way I wanted it, and it was too thin. So the egg white mixture, just doing it plain like with the ultra thin cheese, would not work. Maybe if I had a thicker cut of cheese, it might. But for now, I'm just going to try the. When I want to use just egg white, I'll just use the regular shredded cheese. But anyways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't be afraid to experiment. What's the worst that can happen? You can screw up, right? And just throw it out. Anyways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love you guys.